Alright guys, today we are going to do the primer bulb and just the primer bulb on this one. Replacement, I'll put the new primer bulb in the description below. Just click on the link. If you're on a mobile device, make sure that you click the down arrow next to the title and it'll give you the links that you need. I'll also put like a link for, they've got full kits. They got fuel lines, carburetor, everything else that you'll need for this. Alright, so the first thing we're going to go ahead and do is just pop this air filter cover off and get it out of the way. Next thing we're going to do, we've got two Phillips head screws. We're going to pop those two Phillips head screws out. This is a homelite 26 CS. You can see the model right there. Pop these screws out. This is a short video. It's a very easy job to do. Second one out. Now this whole plate here is going to want to come off. You don't really want that to come off. You only want this top plate to come off. So you're just going to kind of hold this in place right here. And then pop the top plate off, maybe pop the top plate off. See if we can give it a little pry or something. You know, the whole thing's going to want to come off. Just got to be careful so you don't want to lose or get any dirt inside of this. Let's go ahead and get a flathead screwdriver for this. Alright, we're just going to go ahead and try to pry this guy off. There it goes. Get it back in place. This guy off and out of the way. Then you've got the old primer ball. Sometimes the primer ball comes out with this metal plate. You just get it off of there, but make sure you get this out. This one's bad shape. Really kind of stuck in place. Another reason you want to keep this down is all this debris that's coming off this. You don't want it in the carburetor. So you just try not to stab yourself in the hand too. This one's really bad. I'm not sure that this will even run afterwards. I'm just doing this video so you know how to change your primer bulb. And this is bad, so we're going to blow it off with air. You know, just try to make sure you get all the debris off of it. Like that. And then we're going to go ahead and put this new primer bulb back down on top. Give it a little twist, make sure it's straight down on there good. Put this cover right back on. Line up the holes. Put your two Phillips head screws back in. And tighten them down. Don't tighten one side down before you get the other side started. And you want to snug them up a little at a time, each side, so that it gets a nice good seal. Just go back and forth a few times, make sure they're good and tight. Alright, that should be it for that. We'll go ahead and put some gas inside this, see if it primes up. Push pause because couldn't get the gas can in there. So screw back down. Then we're going to go ahead and try to prime it. You see this one's not even wanting to prime. That's what I was worried about. But that is how you change the primer bulb. No big deal. I'll try to start this thing, but without it priming, I really doubt that it's even going to start. Sometimes if you let it sit for a day, the tar that's built up inside the carburetor will loosen up from the fresh gas, and then it'll start priming. We're not going to mess around with that. This guy's getting a new carburetor, fuel lines, and everything. I got to order it, so that'll be in a couple of days. And you know, I'll put that kit in the description for you guys. It's got the fuel lines, carburetor, and everything. But if that did work out, you put this back on. These are supposed to have a little piece of foam inside here for an air filter. And then put it back on. Alright guys, if this helped you out in any way, shape, or form, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. If you want to do any advertising on my channel, I'm more than happy to have you. Just message me. This is the first video I used this light ring. The video before it was me putting it together, and it seemed to work out. It worked out better than I thought. Alright guys, hit that subscribe button, thumbs up, show me a little support. Peace.